Everybody, welcome back to another video. So today's video I'm going to show you guys how to get YouTube Premium for absolutely free. So before we get into the video, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe and notification on, comment down below if you have any problems with this video or any other of my videos. And so let's get right into today's video. So first of all, what you need to do is to open your browser and go to the account you want to get YouTube Premium. So I want to get YouTube Premium on this account since it haven't got the free trial yet. And so once you're in YouTube, click on your profile picture, then click on purchase and membership, click on learn more right over here where it says premium, click learn more and then click on get YouTube Premium. When you click on get YouTube Premium, it will ask you to add your credit card or debit card, or you can just add a PayPal. It's up to you, whatever you have it on yourself. So if you have a credit card on you or you want to pay with credit card, all you need to do is to click on that. But I'm going to use PayPal and I'm going to pay with PayPal. So click on PayPal, then click on buy. When you click on buy, it will bring you to a PayPal page where you need to log in. When you click on log in, just click on put your password and then log in. Once you put your password and log in, it take a little bit of minutes and then it will take you right over here and say that you are paying with the credit card that is added to your PayPal. Just click on agree and continue. It won't charge you, I promise. It's not going to charge you, so you don't have to worry about that. Once you click on buy and get the membership, all you need to do is click on done. Once you click on done, there you go. That's literally all it takes. So once you take YouTube Premium, you're also having YouTube music for free. So once you get YouTube Premium, you're having YouTube music as well. So now what you need to do, or if you want to cancel your free trial and you want to create a new account once your free trial is finished and you want to get the free trial again for free on a new account, what you need to do is you first need to cancel your free trial from here. Click on profile picture, click on your profile picture, go to purchase a membership again and then click on manage membership. When you click on manage membership, click on deactivate. When you click on deactivate, click on continue to cancel and then choose a reason or just click on other. Click on next, click on yes cancel, click close, and that's it. You're not going to get charged after the free trial ends, and you can just create a new account, use your PayPal and get the free membership on the new account, and you can just continue this step over and over and over and over. If you don't cancel your free trial, it is going to charge you, but if you cancel, it's not going to charge you. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe and notification on, comment down below if you have any problems with this video or any other of my videos, and see you guys next time. Peace.